Don't confuse schooling with education. I did not go to Harvard, but the people that work for me did. When something is important young, you do it, even if the odds are not in your favor. Failure is an option here. If the things are not failing, you are not innovating young. It's okay to have your eggs in one basket, as long as you control what happens to that basket. You want to have a future where you are accepting things to be better, not one where you are accepting things to be worse. Great companies are built on great products. Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster. Work like hell. I mean, you just have to put 80 to 100 hours weeks every week. This improves the odds of success. As much as possible, avoid hiring a MBS. MBA program don't teach people how to create a companies. Constantly think about how you would be doing things better. Keep questioning yourself. The first step is to establish that something is possible, then probability will occur. I think it is possible for the ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. People work better when they know what the goal is and why. It is important that the people look forward to coming to work in the morning and enjoy working. I think it is very important to have a feedback loop where you are constantly thinking about what you have done and how you could be doing it better. My motivation for all my companies has been to be involved in something that I thought would have been significant impact on the world. Take risk now, do something bold, you won't regret it. If the rules are such that you can't make a progress, then you have to fight the rules.